Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic Greek tzatziki. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt, which provides that essential creamy base. Next, select 1 large English cucumber or 2 smaller Persian cucumbers. Fresh garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves, and a generous handful of fresh dill are also key. Don't forget a splash of red wine vinegar and a drizzle of high-quality, extra virgin olive oil to finish. The secret to thick tzatziki is proper cucumber preparation. Start by grating your cucumber using the large holes of a box grater. Once grated, place the cucumber in a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. Squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This is a critical step to prevent your tzatziki from becoming watery. You can even sprinkle a pinch of salt on the grated cucumber for 10 minutes before squeezing to draw out even more moisture. Now it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your strained, dry cucumber with the 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic very finely and stir them in. Next, finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh dill and add it to the bowl. Finish with 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a good pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a good stir until all ingredients are thoroughly combined and the mixture is smooth. For the best flavor, cover your tzatziki and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours. This chilling time allows all those delicious flavors to meld and deepen. Before serving, give it another quick stir, drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil, and garnish with a sprig of fresh dill. Enjoy your homemade, authentic Greek tzatziki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.